Hello, and welcome to this brief video tutorial on how to use the Epson Setting Assist app with your Epson projector. Today I will be demonstrating with the Epson PowerLight 810E. First, I'd like to explain the purpose of the app. You can use the Setting Assistant app to perform one of two functions, but not both. The first function is when you're projecting onto a wall. In this use case, the Setting Assistant app can straighten any wavy or uneven edges in the projected image. However, if you're not projecting on a wall, but using a screen instead, the second function of the app is to align your image within the frame of the screen. As it relates to this, I would like to add a quick note about projecting onto a screen. Please make sure your screen is pulled taut and not filled with wrinkles or waves. Also make sure that if you are using a pull-down screen, that the screen is stationary, not moving with the air currents in the room. Due to the nature of the extreme short throw lens, movement and/or unevenness in the screen surface will cause the image to become distorted. Okay, let's move on to using the app. Before getting started, please go to the Apple Store or the Google Play Store to download the Epson Setting Assistant app. The app is free and available for iOS and Android devices that have an onboard camera, such as an iPad, iPhone, or Android-based mobile phone. Once you have the app installed, you're ready to begin. To get started, you should access the Setting Assistant feature in the projector by pressing the menu button on the remote or the projector itself. Next, navigate to the installation and press Enter. Within the submenu, you will see a feature that reads Connect to Setting Assistant. Navigate to it and press Enter. A screen will appear advising you to wait for a QR code to display. Once the code appears, open the Setting Assistant app on your device. From your device, press the button that reads Connect using a QR code. Point your camera at the projected QR code and allow the connection between your device and the projector. When prompted, select Join on your device screen. The app will ask that you select whether you're displaying onto a screen or directly onto a wall. In my case, I am projecting directly onto a wall, and as such, I will select Wall. Next, you will be prompted to confirm the current state of the displayed image. If the image is radically crooked or keystone, you should adjust the image manually from the mount or tabletop until it's reasonably straight to the wall. If it is slightly wavy or uneven, you can proceed with the adjustment by selecting Next, where you will be prompted to take a photo of the displayed pattern on the wall or screen. Press the Display Pattern button on the app to get the pattern to appear. Once the pattern has appeared, use the camera on your device to take a photo of the pattern. Be sure to capture the full display. The projector will take a few moments to analyze the data from the photo and make the adjustments to the image. Once the adjustments are complete, you can select Finish to close out the process, at which time you are ready to display. I hope you found this video tutorial useful in simplifying your installation. If you have additional questions, please reach out to your Epson sales representative or the Epson support team, as we're always here to help. Thanks again for taking time to watch, and thank you for choosing Epson.